Hello everyone, in this video, let me show you how to get to Arashiyama in Kyoto from Osaka and some tourist destinations such as Bamboo Forest. The easiest way to get to Arashiyama is to take Hankyu Railway from Osaka Umeda Station to Arashiyama Station. So let me show you that route. You can also travel by JR Rail and get off at Saga Arashiyama Station, which is adjacent to a local tram station called Saga Arashiyama. JR Osaka Station and several subways are in the same area as Hankyu Osaka Umeda Station. And the trains are running between Osaka and Kyoto quite frequently. Let's buy a ticket to Arashiyama. Remember to take a train bound for Kawaramachi and change the train at Katsura Station. There is no direct train that goes to Arashiyama. Take Limited Express or Rapid Limited Express for faster travel. I take the Rapid Limited Express for a special reason this time. Hankyu Line offers a special Kyoto-style train called Garaku that does not charge any extra fee. Once you get on the train, that beautiful interior will make you feel as though you are already in Kyoto. This train will be easily full, so you should be the first one on the waiting line. Get off at Katsura Station, then go to Arashiyama line. Arashiyama is located far from the heart of Kyoto, where popular tourist destinations such as Kiyomizu Temple and Ryowaji Temple are present. So, it's better to allocate at least half a day or whole day to spend your time in Arashiyama. This is Togetsukyo Bridge, an iconic bridge. It means Moon Crossing Bridge. Visit to Bamboo Path, Hozugawa River Cruise, and the ride on tram are the popular activities visitors do. You will walk a lot in Kyoto. If you are tired, have a ride on Jinjya rickshaw. Hozugawa River Cruise is usually at 6,000 Japanese yen or $40. I'm heading for Bamboo Path. From Hankyu Arashiyama Station, we will walk for 25 minutes to the Bamboo Forest. If you wish to take a tram for sightseeing, go to Saga Toroko Station. One-way ticket to Kameoka Station is at 880 Japanese yen or $580. Now I arrived in Bamboo Path. More than 30,000 sets of bamboos are believed to inhabit here. If you want a photo with all the tourists out of sight, come in the early morning. You will find a couple of other bamboo streets in the neighborhood too. And you will also find local shrines. Crossing the rail, there is a famous old shrine, Nonomiya Jinjya, which was depicted on the world's oldest storytelling book written by a famous Japanese female, Murasaki Shikibu. Founded in 809, this shrine is said to host the god of matchmaking, fertility, and learning. After you eat dishes at a restaurant in Kyoto, it may taste very light to you. This is due to their local water that contains less mineral that help make flavor soup. So Kyoto chefs do not want to add more seasoning. On the main commercial street, you will find another Arashiyama station by K-Food Line, where more than 600 poles dressed with Kyoto-style kimono are presented. I made a quick tour in Arashiyama and I spent almost 6 hours. That includes my video taking time and the travel time going back and forth from Osaka and back to Osaka. If I did not take any video, I would have finished this tour in less than 5 hours. For those who love walking in nature can easily spend a whole day. Thank you for watching this video. If this video interests you in visiting Kyoto someday, give me a like. Have a great day.